and right down in here we will just remove that comma and take it down. In here we will say colon, that's going to be the else. Okay, now we will have another row widget. We will add the icons. Okay, we will say row widget. Okay, and in here comma. Now right in this row, first we will set the main axis alignment, and we're going to set this right in the center. And in here we're going to have the children. Right in the children, let's have that icon button, and take the on press, and as you guys can see the icon, we will remove it for now. We will just add it in a while. Now right in the icon button, on press, we will leave this empty. First we will implement the UI design. We will work on that right in the upcoming videos. Now below this, right in here, we will set the icon. So icon. Now right in there, icons, we will go with the dot add underscore comment. There we go. You can choose whatever you want right in here. I'll go with this one. So it's gonna simply just for adding the comment, as I told you before. So that's the icon. Now we will set the color, and color is gonna be blue accent. Let's set the size also. Size is gonna be 40, and we will have another icon button. Okay, simply for the drop down the comment section. So let's go and copy that for time saving, and below this in here, first we will have some height between the icon button that we just created and the icon button that we are about to create. So first we will have some size box, so set the width to 10, and in here comma. Now below the size box, right in here, paste the icon button that we just copied. Okay, there we go, below this size box. Okay, now first we will complete the UI design. As I told you before, we will work on that right in the upcoming videos. Icon gonna be this time, we'll go with the arrow underscore drop down circle, that one. We will choose that one. You can choose whatever you want right in here, and the color is gonna be blue accent, and size is gonna be 14. That is fine, and we will work further right in the next video. So first let me add this cons modifier, and all just fine. Now I'll just hot reload the app and show you the output. Open any of the job in here, and there we go with the icons, as you guys can see. Okay, for now. So right from the next video we will work further. So whenever we will add, or the user will want to add a comment, he or she can simply click on this add comment button, and it will just expand, and there will be a comment section. Okay, so the user will type in that and post the comment, and also from here it's gonna drop down the comment section. We will just work on that right in the upcoming videos. For now we just left this empty, and as you guys can see in here. Okay, and you guys will see whenever right in the next video we will work further and implement the code for showing the comment box, and there is going to be on the right side that cancel button and that post button. You guys will notice that right in the next video. So basically that's it for this video. Right from the next video we will work further. So see ya.